This is the Pokemon world, a confusing place of strange occurrences. There are plenty of these extremely weird creatures, hundreds and thousands of different species, each with their own unique ability. Fire types, water types, grass types. What we're here to talk about today is about the legendaries. For example, while there could be plenty of Zubats out in the world, there could be only one legendary. This is what makes them special. They're basically the gods of this world, and they rule over all the elements, like god of water, god of fire, god of grass. And there's a huge debate if they ever existed, and where would they be? Some say that there's a kingdom in the sky that has all the legendaries. Some say they live in a different dimension, or some say they're among us, just invisible. It is incredibly rare to spot a legendary. If you were to come across one, the consequences could be deadly.
Any questions?
Yeah, Lugia. Aren't you a legendary?
Yeah, I was god of the sea in my teenage years, but I put that all behind me now. I've chanced since then.
Okay.
Is there danger?
This is where we'll build it.
All right. Tepig, do you have a permit?
What do you mean, had a permit?
Do you own this area?
I do now. Hey, Bulbasaur. Dude, my fucking house got crushed. I need to stay the night here. We can rebuild the house tomorrow, and this time it won't be as weak.
Bulbasaur?
What do you want from me? I didn't know the house would fall apart so easy. Don't hurt me.
Hey, you're freaking me out.
What are you screaming for?
Dad,
Calm down. What's Tepig doing here?
Oh, can I stay the night again?
Sure, just don't make any noise.
oh.
Ah, hey.
Cyndaquil.
Huh?
Hey, who's there?
Hi, fellas.
Well, who are you?
My name is Jirachi, the all-powerful legendary Pokemon, yada yada yada. Yeah, lately I've been so bored, so I decided to do what I'm best at.
And that is?
Grant some wishes. I just raised your friend Tepig from the grave, resurrected or whatever, and fix his house, 'cause why not?
Just gonna use Tepig to manipulate us and screw us over. Oh, never mind. I'm overthinking this too much.
He's evil.
No, I'm not possessed or anything.
Fine, Tepig. Then you could take advantage of this little fairy boy.
Hey!
Sorry, I had to say that.
We should call the police.
Hey, brother, you wanted to get all jumpy.